Hey everybody, it's Stuart with Wine on the Dime, and today I have another Wine Club unboxing video. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, so this is Stuart with Wine on the Dime, and today the people at Wine Insider were nice enough to send me some wine to review. So I don't quite know what's in this, so let's kind of take a look here. All right, so box is open. Let's get this egg crate thing out, and let's take a look at what we got. So I guess I'm just gonna start from, I guess the furthest one right here. So this is the Fox and the Flock 2018 Pinot Noir. It is from Napa. So the next one on my list is a Riesling. This is a German Riesling. Ooh, so. No vintage from the looks of it, but there's nothing wrong with that. From Reinheisen. So the next one is a Chardonnay, a Vidocq Chardonnay. I was not expecting that. 2017, so it's a French Chard. So this one is a Bordeaux, Vin de Bordeaux, look at that. And one other French one, 2016. Right bank influence, 70% Merlot. All right, so the next one I have is it's the Toro Loco Superior 2018. It's from Spain. So it's a Temp and a Tempranillo and Babal. And then the last one, it's a sparkler. It's a George Phillips Cellar Brut Sparkling White Wine from California. Nice, okay, so out of that, I got a Riesling, a Chard, I got this Pinot Noir, I got a Bordeaux, I got a white sparkling, so I'll put you up here because you're technically a white wine. I got this Spanish red. So a nice little selection of wine, and it's pretty diverse, and I'm glad I got a sparkling wine. That'll be a fun one to play with, especially with my Chambong. So we'll be able to do a double review on that one in a single video. But overall, I'm not too disappointed by the selection for being sent a random box of wine. And hopefully we'll see if it's any good. So in order to see these reviews when they come out, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click that notifications bell so you get notified when the videos are posted. If you've already had them before, come back once I review them and let me know what you think of them. Don't leave me any spoilers in this video. That won't be any fun for anybody. But yeah, I'm excited. It's a different club than some of the other ones I've been doing, and well, I got a lot of work to do here, so I better get started. Anyway, this has been Stuart with Wine on the Dime. If you liked today's unboxing, please like, subscribe, and comment. If you have used Wine Insider before, let me know. Let me know your experience with it. Let everyone else hear of your experience with it, good or bad. I mean, this is the venue for it. And make sure you hit that notifications bell so you can be notified when these video reviews are posted on the channel. And I'll see you all again soon with a wine review of one of these from Wine on the Dime.